Let me show you how you can turn something like this to this in just under a minute. Let's go. Visit unsplash.com and download images you like, specifically nature and space for this video. Now import the images you just downloaded and fit them to the screen. You can download the exact images I use using the link in description. Now import the second image and fit it to the screen. Now go to the layer blend modes and set it to overlay. You can always experiment with these kinds of blend modes. Add one more layer over the second image. Go to the color option and select this color from the color palette I made. Now select monoline brush, set its brush size to almost 32% and then draw a triangle. Use the quick draw to refine the triangle and then transform it to the center of the canvas. Now duplicate the triangle layer and fill the top triangle with white. Now go to the second triangle and duplicate it again. Now go to adjustments and use bloom. Set the bloom and burn to 100% and the size to almost 27%. Now select the last triangle, go to adjustments and use Gaussian blur on it. Now select the top triangle and use bloom on it. And then Gaussian blur. It gives an extra glow to the. Now set the color blend mode to overlay. If this neon effect feels like too complicated, you can always use the light paintbrush in the luminance section. If you have any queries, you can always ask me in the comment sections. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.